Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now if we look at this past 3 months candlestick pattern, we can see that first of all here there was a strong liquidity grab with this all-time high. Gold has a long bearish candle followed by we have seen previous months a middleman. Now after this back-to-back two strong bearish candle this month so far, once the market opened we have seen a retest of this monthly support and immediate rejection to the upside. So far in the first 2 weeks, we have seen that gold is significantly bullish. What I think that this week we might see initial pullback towards the downside, and then we can expect another attempt from the buyers. As we see that the bulls started to push the price high, we might see significant movement or pullback to the upside before coming down again. Now, if we look at the weekly price action, we can see that from the weekly also gold is showing potentially bullish price action, and this is the weekly support level. Bigger picture, we can expect this week initial pullback towards the downside, and then we can expect a rejection to the down upside again towards its long-term uptrending direction. As we see, this is the weekly candle, which is in fact a middleman. There is a long wick at the top and bottom, and highly likely that gold will come down and will fill that long wick at the top, and we might see a new higher high. Now, looking at the daily, we see that from the daily, the gold has done exactly according to the analysis. You have seen our previous weekly forex forecast. From this daily support level, after creating an inverted head and shoulder, gold has made this strong movement to the upside. And the last day of trading week, we saw a bearish candle that has also long wick at the top and bottom. I think that as it has a long wick at the bottom, we can expect now another drop on gold to create new lower low or a pullback of this daily impulse correction, and later we can expect another impulse. So in the beginning of trading week, as gold has made a movement, we can expect now pullback. And also this is the daily bearish engulfer in this resistance zone that could lead gold come down again for a bit more downside. Now looking at further lower time frame from intraday perspective, on the 4 hour we saw that there is a consolidation here, and gold is maintaining this resistance line. The price has formed last session of the trading week. Last week we saw a long bearish candle, and with that bearish candle, what I think that this week we might see initial pullback and then continuation to the downside, and we could see that gold again coming back to this significant previous resistance, which is turning support here. And I think that in the beginning we might see a drop, and then later we can expect continuation to the upside, or based on this price action here we will see in fact which way gold is heading. Now looking at the 1 hour chart, what I could potentially see that gold might initially go up for a pullback to this level, and this is a very important level of resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. What I think that after testing this level we can expect gold to come back down to this support level. And we saw that quite a few candles had a strong liquidity grab. As you can see, this is a long week candle, liquidity grab from this support and also from this resistance zone. And as gold is gathering liquidity, creating series of lower high, we can expect now after testing this level gold to come back down and to test this level. So this is where we'll be waiting for a potential selling opportunity on gold along this zone. As soon as we will find suitable entry, I'll consider going short in the beginning of trading week with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let me know in the comment section what's your setup on gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.